It is our last day in Austin, and today is family day. I have my brother and sister-in-law and their two kids that we're staying with, although I feel like we've been ignoring them for the whole week since we've been so busy with everything at KetoCon. So today we're hanging out with them. My brother is the manager of the Patagonia store here in Austin, and I've never been to his store, and so we're gonna go check out his store and meet him for lunch. And then gonna hang out with my sister this afternoon. She's also here in town, her and her boyfriend. So we're gonna hang out with them. We're planning on cooking a meal, me and my sister cooking a meal together here for everybody. So that will be exciting. And yeah, family day after we've kind of ignored them all week, and that'll be good. And then tomorrow we will drive up to Arlington where my dad and stepmom and other brother are. I have 4 brothers, so 2 of them are in Oregon, 1 of them is in Austin, 1 of them is in Arlington. So tomorrow our flight is not until 8 p.m. So we'll have a good chunk of the day to go out to lunch or dinner and spend some time with them. And then we will be headed home, which I'm very excited about. We've had such a good trip, but you know, it's home. So I'm excited to get back to the kids and to the dogs and to the farm. And yeah, just trying to enjoy these last 2 days before we head out. Let me also show you what I got, or what we got for the kids. Yesterday it was so fun in San Antonio when we went to the festival there. There were so many booths and different things. We were able to find everything we needed for the kids. Okay, this is what I got for Renee. It's a little leather purse. It's so stinking cute. Just a little pouch. I thought Charity would love these. They're magnets. They're like rocks, but they're magnetic, so it's kind of like a fidget toy. I thought she would think these were so cool. Then this is what we got for Levi, and I can't do it one-handed, but you hold it and you, oh, I think that's how it goes. You go like this and it sounds like a cricket. Anyways, it's this little musical instrument and the little stick goes in like that. It's so funny. Okay. Then we got these earrings for Autumn. I thought they were so pretty. Colorful feathers. I love those. And then there were a couple little handmade bracelets that we got. I think I'm going to give one to Talia and one to Charity maybe. And then for Talia also, to go with the bracelet, we got her a Buc-ee's t-shirt. Buc-ee's Texas, which she will love. And then another thing for Levi besides just the frog, we got him a Cabela's hat. He loves to wear hats, but he loses them constantly, and so he can always use a new hat. So that is everything that we picked up as little souvenirs for all the kids. Popping in real quick to say thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. Element is an electrolyte supplement that I use every day. It comes in these really convenient little packets. Each packet has 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. Basically, it contains everything that you need and nothing that you don't. There's no artificial flavors or colors, and it's only sweetened with stevia. And it's also really, really delicious, which is probably my favorite part about it. Right now, Element is offering a deal to my viewers where if you use my link down in the description or up on the screen and place any order with Element, you will get a free sample pack with your order. The sample pack contains all 8 of their regular flavors, so it's a great way to try them all out or pass them on to a friend. All you have to do to get this deal is follow my link, drinkelement.com/indigo. That's DRINKLMNT.com/indigo. Element is a huge supporter of my channel, and it means so much to me when you guys support the companies that support me.
We're both assuming a squat. Getting comfortable.
I'm working on some business.
Yeah, just make sure the digestion's in tip-top shape there. He needed a little solid footing to get his squat going.
I understand.
So providing a little foundation here.
What are those squatty potties?
Yeah.
You're his squatty?
Yeah. And he's picking up a little bit. He's going like this, and he's trying to find his thumb, but he's got it like in his hand. So I was helping get it out and trying to find
That's how the kids always would find it. They'd get it up here and it would like eventually slide down and pop in.
Oh, there's Papa Dylan.
There he is. He's a happy boy.
Oh, he's a baby. I never get to lady in Oregon. I'm pretty happy with it. Right, like a good time for lady. Definitely. Yeah, they have like a
Oh, a burger place.
The burger will come.
Yeah.
Smells good.
These have like 15 guys. That's not that bad.
You still remember how to do that?
Do what?
Push a baby?
Oh my goodness. What is going on?
It's very cute. That is a cute candle. Oh, look at that one. I like that. That is really cute. I had to get a second hat for Levi from Patagonia where his uncle works. If I had remembered, or if I'd thought of it, I would have not gotten the Cabela's one and just got this one, but now he'll have two and he's always losing hats, so this will work out great. What are we making, buddy?
We're making strawberry pancakes.
Strawberry pancakes!
I don't like.
Just like who made strawberry pancakes?
They don't like it.
Daniel Tiger, you're right. All right, you ready to chop up the strawberries?
Yes.
Yes, can you do it with your knife? Oh, turn your knife over.
Oh.
The other side works better. That's a really good try. Okay, I'll help you.
Okay.
You want to cut this one smaller too?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, turned over. Good job. You're getting the hang of this. Who's that?
Hi, baby. Hey, I'm just making strawberry pancakes.
That sounds so yummy.
Hi, I'm just making strawberry pancakes.
Yes.
Yummy.
You just need to cook it.
Just need to cook it?
Yes.
You're such a good helper.
Yes.
I'm just making strawberry pancakes. I'm just making strawberry pancakes. Just like Daniel Tiger. So special.
This was a sugar cigarette.
Okay, we're gonna cut it into pieces, okay?
For his life.
Okay. Let's
I don't want that.
That's the pancake.
These are the
Just-
pancakes.
Just trust Aunt Neely.
Do you
It's
want to
gonna be
just have a
strawberry.
taste?
I don't want to try it.
Wait, here, we'll put the strawberries on it.
Yeah, here.
It's the pancake.
You'll like it. You'll like it. Here's Eve. Do you want strawberries on it?
Yes.
Okay. And do you want whipped cream? See, this is whipped cream.
No.
No. Do you want any bacon? What about frosted
Look,
bacon?
you
Oh, I want bacon.
Well, you're right.
Yes.
There we go. Is that how you want your dinner?
Yes.
Okay. Well, at least she likes the bacon. Yeah. Get some good protein.
Yes. Ooh, bacon is yummy.
Stress.
Yeah, it's like 97 for me.
That's
late.
Continue to go round in that circle. But I was glad that it
It's about when I started watching football. It's like 97.